Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're basically performing mechanical surgery on the heart of a ship.
So, what does it really take? Well, it's not just turning wrenches. It's all about precision.
We're looking at the ZF Marine Transmission. This thing is the powerhouse for massive vessels.
Inside that aluminum shell, you've got a whole network of critical, interconnected parts.
Yeah, your average toolbox just isn't going to cut it here. You need some seriously specialized gear.
Take the mandrel, for instance. Its only job is to get parts seated perfectly, with no damage.
And the extractor? That lets you safely pull apart pieces that are literally pressed together. The precision here is just nuts. We're talking measurements down to 1/100th of a millimeter. Okay, before you even think about opening it up, prep is everything. Cleanliness is absolutely key.
Now for the fun part. You remove the bolts, gently tap it open, and carefully separate.
And there it is. With the machine's heart exposed, you can see how it all really works. Inside, it's all about those tiny, critical tolerances. Everything has to be just right. Check this out. The space between bearings, just 5/100ths of a millimeter. That's it. Getting these parts out is a science. You're using heat, special tools, it's super delicate. And you're inspecting every single piece. If one thing's wrong, you might have to replace everything.
Putting it back together? Whoa, that's not just disassembly in reverse. It's a whole new challenge.
You actually heat parts so they expand just enough to slide into place. It's pretty wild.
And it's not just nuts and bolts. You're using special chemicals to seal and secure everything.
To get that final perfect clearance, you use these paper-thin metal shims. It's incredible.
All right, once it's all back together, it's time for final checks. Torque, fluids, the whole deal.
And after all that, you've got a perfectly rebuilt machine, ready to get back to work.
Makes you wonder what other engineering marvels are out there, just hidden in plain sight.